Welcome to this LightingSupply.com product detail video. This Satco bulb can be used to replace a 70-watt metal halide bulb. It produces 2400 lumens. This bulb is not dimmable. This bulb has a color temperature of 5000 Kelvin or daylight. The average life of this bulb is 50,000 hours. Direct wiring is only approved for 100 volts through 277 volts, and the ballast must be removed from the fixture. This product can be used both indoors and outdoors, making it perfect for applications like parking lot fixtures, high bay fixtures, and wall packs. It is approved for totally enclosed fixtures. You can buy this Satco bulb and thousands of other products at LightingSupply.com.